Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will solve a question of a JAM exams. Okay. Question is given that for an integer k greater than equal to 0 and let pk denoted the vector space of all real polynomials in one variables of degree less than equal to k. Okay. That is pk is the set of all polynomials which degree less than equal to k. Okay. And define the transformation t p2 to p3 by t of f of x equal to f double dash x plus x f of x. Okay, then the which of the following polynomial is not in the range of t. Okay, that is the question. Now solution. First of all, here use important result, which is result. Statement of the result is let V and W be a vector space over a field F. Okay, and T V2W is a linear transformation. Okay, and if beta 1, beta 2 dot 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 beta n is a basis of V, then range of T span by the set T of beta 1, T of beta 2 dot dot T of beta n. Okay, now use this result here. First of all, find the basis of P2. So we know that basis of P2 is 1x x square. Okay, next we find t1 tx and t of x square. Okay, so now here given t of f of x, that is map to here from this f double dash plus x f of x. Okay, so now t of 1, that is equal to 0 plus x, this is equal to x. Okay, and t of x, that is equal to 0 plus x dot x, that is equal to x square. Okay, and t of x square, that is equal to 2 plus this is x dot x square, this is equal to 2 plus x cube. So from this result, the above result, okay, from this result we have range of T is span by the set x square and 2 plus x cube. Okay, now check the option. First option is true. Because this set x plus x square, okay, belongs to the span of this set. A span means set of all linear combinations. Okay, so this is a linear combinations of option number A is linear combinations of x and x square. Okay, similarly option number B also linear combinations. Option number B is a linear combinations of x square plus x cube plus 2, this and this 2 set. Okay, this is also belongs to the set, range set. Okay, and option C is also linear combinations of first and last. Okay, option C is x plus 2 plus x cube is also linear combinations, but option number D is not, because here option number D given x plus 1. X belongs to this set, but 1 does not belongs to the span of this set. Okay, so option number D is false. So here here answer is option D, because here find D which one is not in the range of the t, that is option number D. Okay.